Hey guys, welcome to our new tutorial. Are you ready for another exciting video? Today we're discussing something super important for every business: customers' Google reviews. Imagine you're running a local coffee shop or a local store, and customers love your products or services. They leave amazing reviews on Google. Now, wouldn't it be awesome if you could display those reviews right on your website to build trust and attract even more customers? Displaying Google reviews directly on your website can influence potential customers and boost conversions. In fact, customers trust reviews almost as much as a personal recommendation from a friend. So imagine the impact of showing those fantastic reviews directly on your website. Now, you might be wondering, how can you showcase these powerful reviews while keeping full control over what appears on your website? Use the Google Reviews widget from Elementor add-on Elements plugin. Sounds exciting, right? So let's start. But first, here's a quick preview of what this widget can do. Grid or carousel layouts for a sleek design. A Write a Review button directing users to Google review page. Options to display or hide reviewer details like image, name, and more. Display dynamic or custom review details in the header. All right, ensure you have Elementor and Elementor add-on Elements plugins installed and activated. And Google Maps API key is already added in the Elementor add-on Elements settings. Open the page with Elementor, search for the Google Reviews widget with EAE badge in top left corner, and drag it onto your page. To display reviews, you need to enter the place ID of the location. Don't worry, it's easy to find. Go to the Place ID Finder page, link in the description. Search for the business location, copy the Place ID, and paste it here. Done! Select how many reviews to display, choose up to 5, the language and auto-refresh time in minutes. But hold on, what if a few reviews aren't so great? Nobody wants to feature negative feedback that could hurt their brand's image, right? No worries, you can easily filter reviews and display only the top-rated ones. Plus, you can show or hide reviewer details, like their profile image, name, star rating, date, and review description. Choose star rating type between icons or numeric, and even upload your own custom rating icon. Then display the date in numeric or relative format. Sometimes customers leave long reviews on Google, which can be valuable but may clutter your website's layout. To keep your website clean, you can set a text length limit for the reviews shown, and also add a Read More button that redirects users to see the full review on Google. Select the icon type and its position. Want to add a dynamic header that automatically shows your review details? Enable that option. It also adds a Write a Review button to encourage more customers to give feedback. Choose the layout from Grid or Carousel. Select the style presets and adjust its settings. Next, tweak the header settings. Pick an image, size it up, use a dynamic or custom heading. Enable the rating display, add custom text, or use the cent rating % shortcode to show the dynamic total rating count. Fine-tune rating icons, review button text, and its position. For the carousel layout, tweak the slider effects, pagination, and more to fit your design. Reorder elements like the name, image, comments, and others for a more personalized layout. Finally, style everything: header, reviews, slider, and icons for a polished look. And there you have it, a fully customized Google Reviews section that looks clean and professional. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to easily add a customizable Google Reviews on your website without writing a single line of code. Found this tutorial helpful? Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials. Check out the description for useful links, and we'll see you in the next video.